Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us prepare a very crunchy Thattai with health drink mix powder. The link for the video on the health drink mix powder is given in the description. If you want, you can click it. For this we need 1 cup of health drink mix powder. Next, take 1/4 cup of fried gram, powder it and add this into the health drink mix powder. To this add a 1/4 teaspoon of hing, that is asafoetida, and 1 tablespoon of soaked chana dal. I have soaked this for about 30 minutes in water. 1 teaspoon of black sesame seeds, you can also use the white one. Half a teaspoon of chili powder, the required amount of salt, and 2 teaspoons of butter. Mix this well. Form nice crumbles, it will help the butter to mix with the flour nicely. And then add water little by little and give a nice mix. We are going to make a nice smooth dough. Add water carefully, the water should not get excess. To this I am going to add few chopped curry leaves which I have forgotten at the beginning. Give a nice mix, you will get a nice thick and smooth dough. The dough has to be like this. Now take a small ball and press it in between plastic sheet. You can use plastic sheet or butter paper. You can use a tumbler or any other small pan to press this. This is ready. Now let us fry this in oil. The oil has to be hot. Turn both sides and cook this properly in a medium flame. Both the sides looks crispy now, we can take it out. A very yummy crispy Thattai is ready. Hope you like it. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.